Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Shades of Sierra here, and I'm back today with another tutorial. I had a lot of fun putting this look together, so if you would like to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned.
Okay, first things first, you want to always start off with a primer. I mean, that's law. So this locks everything in. This is good for oil control. I have very oily skin. As a matter of fact, it's a bit of a combination of both oily and normal. Like in my nose area, I get a lot of oil build up. So yeah, this helps a lot for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it everywhere, starting a little bit higher than my natural brow. I am now sketching in some thin brows, like so. Ooh, I kind of like this thin brow look, y'all. I don't know. It's kind of cute. All right, boom. I did it. Now I am going to take my concealer and I'm going to carve out these brows. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, put some on my hand, just to, you know, get the product on nice and warm. And I'm just going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to carve out the brow, like so. Like so, like that. Now that I've carved everything out, I'm just going to take the same concealer and I'm going to apply it everywhere on my eyelid, like this, okay? Get that Taking this P. Louise base, I'm going to apply it everywhere on my eyelid, and yeah. Using my middle finger to blend everything out, and I am blending this everywhere on my eyelid, getting it everywhere. And this is going to, ladies, work as a base because I'm going to be using a lot of different colors. A lot of bright colors, and for this look we want everything to pop, okay? So you're just gonna apply it everywhere, get it everywhere. I'm gonna be using a bright red color. Be going in with this color. All right, so put that everywhere right here. This is going to be the brush that I'm using. It's nice and fluffy. And the first color that I will be using is a hot pink color. As a matter of fact, scratch that. I'm going to be using a bright red color. This color. All right. Put that everywhere right here. Now I'll be using this color, which is a hot pink color. If only you guys could see how bright this really is. Jesus Christ, you have no idea. Using this orange color, packing that everywhere in here. Okay, just gonna blend this out a little bit. Taking this yellow color, packing that in right here. Then I'm gonna go back in with the red that I was using, and I'm just gonna fan this all out, like so. Okay. Next eye. I'm going to let me just blend this out a little bit more, just a little. Now I'm going to go in with some more yellow. I'm just gonna pack that in, get it all in there. This is the reason why I always do my makeup, my eye makeup in particular first, because you see all this fallout on my face? Now, if you were to do a full face of makeup, you would have to wipe all your makeup off and you would have to do it all over again. But I just did my eyes, so I don't really have to worry about that much. See? That's all you gotta get that all in there. Wipe a little bit more, like so. Now I am taking some green and I'm just gonna pack that on like so. And ladies, when it comes to the position of where you want all your colors, just freestyle with it. Don't take this look too serious. This look is supposed to be fun. So now I'm gonna be taking a blue and I'm just gonna put that on. Getting that in with the green. Some more. So now that I am done with that, I am going to, as a matter of fact, let me just go in a little bit more with the orange. And then I'm just gonna clean everything up. Now I'll be going in the inner corner with a very nice pearly shimmery color. Looks like this. You can't really see it that much, but ooh girl, wait till you see it. In my inner corner like so. Okay. Boom. So as you can see, I've already applied the neon yellow right here. And now I'm going in with the red that I was using. And I'm just buffing that in. Leaving some space right here though to apply my purple. So that it can all, you know, blend. Going back in with my orange. It is so hard not to make a weird face doing this. Then the green. And then the blue. I'm gonna blend that all out and then I'll be back. Alright, so now that I've done that, I am now about to do something real cool with my eyes. I am going to be going in with some black liner, and I'm pretty much going to do a cheetah print on this eye and then a zebra print on this eye. So, using this color palette by Maran, I'm using the black. And I'm just going to start on this eye, and I am going to do the cheetah print. Now, ladies, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just freestyle with it. You know what I'm saying? Take your time. Don't worry about everything being even. Now I'm basically going to do the same thing on this bottom half. Alright, boom. And now I'm going to do the zebra print on this eye, which is going to be much easier. I'm just going to take my, and just, you know, make little squiggly lines. Don't worry about it not being perfect. Okay. Oops. Fix it up. I'm taking my foundation by Fenty. Fenty is my favorite as of now. As of right now. Really, really love the formula. It's very nice. Soft, matte, good for long wear. I'm just gonna pump that on, pump it up, you know. Get everywhere. On my forehead. Don't forget your neck.
Alright, this completes the look. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all next time.